Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will unbox the car number 505 from the Fast and Furious Mix 3 Hot Wheels premium set, which is this 2021 Toyota GR Supra. And as we know, Supras are always nice, so let's just unbox this. So finally we have it out of the blister, and let's take a closer look at this. So this has a very nice detail and the color is very nice. It's called glossy orange, and we have the hood in this black tampo as well as on the side, and we have all the details. The headlight details are very awesome. We have the base black and the wheels are Real Riders 10 spoke modern wheels, and other than that it's a Supra, so it's always good. Actually, I have another Toyota GR Supra in this yellow color. It's from the Japanese car culture 6-pack series. That pack actually has all metal bases. I'll link the video if you want to watch it later. So I just wanted to see if these two are the same castings or not. I think they are. Yeah, they look exactly the same. The only difference is the orange one. The Fast and Furious one is a Hot Wheels premium. It has Real Rider wheels, and this one is a silver label. Although it has metal base, it doesn't have Real Riders. This was our 2021 Toyota GR Supra from the Fast and Furious set Mix 3 of 2025. I hope you liked it. I'll link the other castings from this set in the video. Make sure to watch them and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos. Thank you.